Hey credit cousins, so many of you were unaware of the dispute comment technique to increase your credit score. So I'm making another video of the first video that I posted here where I discussed what were dispute comments and how they can impact your credit score. I also included a free dispute removal letter in that video for you to use to send to the credit bureaus. However, many of you wanted something that is instant because many of you are purchasing homes now and need an increase right now and can't wait 30 to 45 days. I know. So I'm making a part 2 on how you can do so. So keep watching to learn more. So to piggyback off the last video, we want to remove the dispute comments that cause a credit denial, but also increase your credit score. If you ever disputed an item on your credit report, most of the time dispute comments would be added and some can cause your score to decrease. Sometimes on Credit Karma, you get a notification like this where it says it was updated, but just the remark was added and it could cause your score to go down. Now, this is just an example. I know Credit Karma isn't accurate with real FICO scores, but they can help with real life updates on your credit dispute update. So this is why I'm just bringing up Credit Karma for this example. So of course, there is more than one way to skin a cat if you did not know. And if you don't want to use the dispute comment removal letter, then you can do this. You can actually remove dispute comments instantly. You can do so by calling the credit bureaus for instant dispute comment removal. You can call each credit bureau. Let's start with Experian first. They tend to be the easiest. Call 1-800-493-1058 and make sure once you're prompted to enter your last 4 digits of your social security number and zip code, you choose the following. You choose number 2, then you choose number 1, then you choose 1, and then you choose 1 again, and that should take you to get a live agent. Make sure you click this video to get more in depth of how to reach a live person at Experian, okay? For Equifax, you want to call 1-800-846-5279 and follow those prompts to reach a live agent. And for Transunion, you want to call 1-800-916-8800, then put extension 4. And then put extension 2, and you should reach a live agent quicker that way. I know Transunion could be a pain in the butt. I will be doing another video on different ways on how to get a Transunion live. So make sure you watch out for that video. And also when you get a live agent, make sure to always ask to speak with someone right from the United States, okay? Once you get a live agent from the United States, then you can inform them that you would like some of the dispute comments to be removed from some of your accounts on your credit report and that you are no longer disputing these accounts. Once they put the dispute in, make sure to ask them how long it will take for this to be done, and if he or she says that it will take longer than a couple of days, usually they will give you like this generic answer that usually takes 30 days for a dispute, but you can inform them that you are in need to move forward quick because you are closing on your first home and you're unable to close unless these dispute comments are removed. So can this dispute be expedited sooner? And can I, or if they don't, follow through with that request, just ask them to simply speak to someone who can get it done sooner. So this usually works because credit bureaus understand how important closing on your first new home is, and it's showing that you are taking action with something that is really small that is hindering your closing. So make sure these are accounts that you're no longer trying to dispute, and or making sure these accounts that you know have made your score going down based on the dispute comments added. You can always go back to Credit Karma to check the dates in the history of your score updates to see if it looks similar to this, where it's not really giving updates on the actual account. It just seems that remarks were added and the credit score decreased after the remarks were added. So that may indicate that a dispute comment did impact your credit score. So keep me updated with your results in the comment section. I want to see you guys give me updates. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We are on the road to 100K credit cousins. I make sure I see you guys in the next video. Bye. Hey credit cousins, if you are looking to remove those negative, nasty things off your credit report, you are in luck today. I have tons of resources for you to increase your credit score in deleting negative hard inquiries within 24 hours, late payments, charge-offs, in collections, building business credit like a boss, and so much more. Many of my credit cousins have used our resources and received amazing results. And now it's your turn. Right now, I'm offering 50% off everything online. Make sure you click the link in the description or pinned comments below to get your discount now.